Welcome to Gin 101. Let us start with the history of gin. Gin was first created for a healing process. Gin was first distilled in Holland around the 17th century, by Franciscus de Lambeau. He was a chemist at the University of Leiden, known as Dr. Sylvius. By extracting oil from juniper berries and then redistilling it with pure alcohol, he attempted to make an inexpensive medicine. Gin was first called Genever, which is the French word for juniper berries. The name was shortened by the Dutch, who called the spirit Genever. The British later coined this spirit's name, by calling it gin. Most gins in England were sweetened to disguise the harshness of the spirit. Gins are typically around 40% to 50% alcohol by volume. Let's discuss the production of gin. Gin is a neutral spirit, distilled or redistilled, with juniper berries and other aromatics. Although it sounds like a simple liquor, gin is a product of precise quality control and secret complex recipes. Most commonly, gin starts with a neutral spirit and then other characteristics are added, through infusions, percolation or maceration. Today, we will discuss two of the main ways gin is created, direct and indirect methods. In the direct method, prior to the start of the distilling process, the gin head is packed with juniper berries, herbs and other aromatics. As the spirit vapors pass through the gin head, the vapor extracts the characteristics from the flavoring ingredients. This delicately flavored vapor is then condensed. The resulting liquid is finished gin. Sometimes in the direct method, a spirit is created first and then redistilled with the gin head packed with the essential characteristics. The indirect method is where a neutral spirit is made, and then it is steeped, macerated or percolated with the flavoring ingredients. The indirect method is not commonly associated with quality gins, but there are some that exist today. Next, we will discuss the flavoring characteristics of gin. Almost all gins use juniper berries as a major component within their flavoring ingredients. Gin tends to have a wide range of characteristics, which include, but are not limited to, coriander seed, fennel, calamus root, orris root, angelica root, almond, cardamom, cassia, ginger, cinnamon, licorice, caraway seed, orange, lemon peel, and almost all distillers of gin add their own specific ingredients to craft their very own version. Now, let us discuss how gin should be served. Gin can be served in several manners. Gin can be served neat, at room temperature, in a tulip glass, rocks glass, or a shot glass. Today, gin is a common ingredient in many cocktails. Most commonly, gin is used in the original martini. Gin is served shaken with ice, and poured into a rocks glass with ice, or a martini glass. Finally, we will discuss gin and cuisine. Gin is a very complicated and eloquent liquor, which tends to make this pairing more complex. Gin is very popular with highly flavored sausage, seafood and poultry with citrus sauces, and duck pâtés. Gin is also popular with all types of salsa, whether it be Hispanic or Asian.